What's up my friends, welcome back. Today I am gonna unbox the HTC brand DM-85T model digital multimeter. Safely using the knife to open the box. Let's open the box that includes two AAA batteries and user manual. Before using this multimeter, first read the user manual. Next, this is the temperature measuring probes. Which is the main wires to measure the voltage, temperature, current, frequency and more using these wires. The quality of wire is really good. And finally our multimeter. Safely remove the multimeter from the cover. This is the certificate for the multimeter. That means it is a original multimeter. Open battery case and put the battery in order. I turn to AC voltage, DC, resistance, diode and continuity. This is capacitance, frequency, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, non-conductive voltage, μF, milliampere, ampere. And press the hold button. The backlight is on. That useful for nighttime working. Black wire is common and red wire is to this side. I will explain detail about this multimeter in next video. The price of the multimeter is 1082 rupees including the GST. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. Bye bye, see you in the next video.